Now let's learn how to create a logical system. A logical system is a unique ID which identifies the partner communication system. In case of we're working with a different SAP system or SAP to non-SAP system, then in the sender system, we have to create a logical system for the receiver. As in our case, I have both the clients in single server only. So here I'm creating a logical system, and after creation of logical system, I am assigning to the client. The transaction code for logical system is either we can go to the cell or we can use the transaction code that is BT54. So for that, let's log into our SAP system. Here, first we will see the transaction code cell. A cell is a common transaction code where we can do most of the settings related to Idocs interface in ALE. So here we have to expand this basic setting, expand the logical system, and here you click on define logical system. The option 2 is use directly T code that is BT54. Table is cross client. This is second option. So first we'll see with the transaction code cell. Here click on execute. The table is cross client, which means that if you are maintaining all in client 700, that will replicate in all the clients in the same server. Click on new entries. First create D700 send, that is 700 development center system, and second I'm creating as D500 RECV, that is 500 as my receiver system. Click on save button. We have to give the request transport request to transfer to the further system. So here we have created the logical system. After creation of logical system, the next step to assign the logical system to the client. For that, we can use either transaction code cell or we can go with the T code SCC4. So for that, go to transaction code again cell in the same T code, basic settings, logical system, assign logical system to client. Here our client is 700, so here I will assign my logical system, that is D700 send, that is center system. Go back, and next I want to assign the logical system to the client 500. Here I will assign the new created receiver system, that is D500 RECV. Click on save button. So this is how we can create and assign the logical system either with the T code cell, BT54 or SCC4. Now after this, next we'll see how to create the RFC destination.